How to recover deleted photos on your iPhone. We're going to focus on the recently deleted folder, so if you accidentally removed a cherished photo, we've got your back. Let's dive into the simple process. Open the Photos app on your iPhones. Tap on Albums at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and look for the recently deleted album. This is your recovery treasure trove. Open the recently deleted album to reveal all the photos you deleted in the last 30 days. Browse through the images and select the ones you want to recover. Hit the Recover button located at the bottom right corner. Confirm your action, and voila! Your photos are back. And there you have it! A quick and easy way to recover deleted photos on your iPhone using the recently deleted album. Remember, these photos are stored here for 30 days before being permanently deleted, giving you a safety net for accidental deletions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Share this video with friends who might need a photo recovery hack. Until next time,